So let's look at worked example 13.6, and what I want you to do is 1, name the alkene that is being reacted, and 2, determine the structure and name of the major product expected from this hydrohalogenation. Okay, so let's see how you did. Looking at this alkene, the name is going to be 3-methyl-2-pentene. We've got to give that double bond the lowest possible number. And when we look at the 2 carbons in the alkene, we see that the carbon on the right, or the 2 carbon, has 1 hydrogen, while the 3 carbon has no hydrogen. So of course, when we add HCl, the hydrogen from the HCl is going to preferentially bond to the 2 carbon because that carbon already has more hydrogen. So when we draw out the structure where the 2 carbon gets the hydrogen and the 3 carbon gets the chlorine, we get this structure here, and the name of this compound is 3-chloro-3-methylpentane. So if you got that, give yourself a pat on the back, and let's look at one more. So let's look at this example. I'd like you to identify the major product of the hydrohalogenation of this alkene. I also want you to name the alkene as well as the product. Okay, let's see how you did. So first, the name of the alkene is propene. We don't have to say 1-propene because there's only one way that propene can exist with that double bond on the 1 carbon. And let's look at applying Markovnikov's rule. If we look at the 2 carbons in the alkene, the 1 carbon has 2 hydrogens, the 2 carbon has 1 hydrogen, so the hydrogen from HBr is going to preferentially bond to the 1 carbon and the bromine to the 2 carbon. And so looking at Markovnikov's rule, the major product is going to be 2-bromopropane. Now, we do form some of the 1-bromopropane, but as we go through the assessment and the quizzes, you will mostly be expected to identify the major product. So if you got these answers right, give yourself a pat on the back.